Hello Wildcats, this is Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I'm going to share with you a couple of things. Just a reminder that in your blue planner there are lots of helpful things that can help you in your reading. So right next to the calendar, if you look, there's a page that has all of the Lone Star books for this year listed there. You can start highlighting off the ones as you read them. And then there's also step-by-step directions on how to check out our ebooks and our audiobooks that you can access from home, on your personal device, or on any computer. Then when you turn the page, right next to that, this has a list of books that you want to read. So when you're in the library and I'm doing all of the book talks, or when we're doing these book talks, you can actually get out your folder and start making a list of the books that you want to read, so that when you come in the library, you have something to refer to. So the next time your class is in, if you bring your blue folder and I see you writing stuff down, then I will sign your Wayside 5 at the back. And remember, when you get that all filled out, you get the free Kona Ice. Okay, so now on to the book talk. This week I'm sharing with you Hive. So in this one, our main character, Otto, is a little bit of a troublemaker. He may only be 13 years old, but he has managed to completely run the orphanage that he lives in and outsmart the smartest person in the entire country. So of course, he's a perfect candidate for the villain school. These kids are hand-selected and actually kidnapped in the middle of the night and taken to the villain school. They are all the biggest, most elite kids. You have the best athlete, the best engineer, the best person in technology. So Otto's not really sure why he's there. But he learns to embrace it with classes like Villain 101 until he starts to realize that this 6-year-long program is not something that he can just leave and give up whenever he wants. So why are these kids there? What exactly are they teaching them? And what is the point of villain school? To find out, read Hive. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.